Inside Japan, a factory is operating in complete silence. No workers on the floor, no supervisors walking between machines, just robots, artificial intelligence, and a system that never sleeps. This isn't a concept or a future idea. This factory is real, and it's already changing how manufacturing works. As you step inside, robotic arms move with perfect timing, assembling parts with precision that human hands can't match. Automated vehicles glide across the floor, delivering materials exactly where they're needed. Every movement is calculated. Every process is optimized. The factory doesn't wait for instructions. It makes its own decisions in real time. At the center of everything is an AI brain that monitors production, checks quality, and predicts problems before they happen. If a machine shows signs of failure, the system adjusts instantly. There are no breaks, no downtime, and no mistakes caused by fatigue. This level of automation allows the factory to run 24 hours a day without slowing down. Japan built this system not to replace people, but to solve a growing problem. With fewer workers entering manufacturing, automation became the only way to keep production strong. Engineers now oversee everything remotely, focusing on innovation instead of repetitive labor. It's a shift that's creating smarter jobs and redefining what factory work means. For the United States and the rest of the world, this factory offers a glimpse into the future of manufacturing, a future where efficiency, precision, and technology work together seamlessly. Japan didn't just automate a factory. They built a new blueprint for how industry can survive and thrive in a changing world. And as these machines continue working in perfect silence, one thing becomes clear: the future of factories isn't coming someday. In Japan, it's already here.